Hi, this is Ray from the Handyman's Haven. Now, this is a little tip for you, but it's not coming from the workshop. This is coming from the kitchen this morning. You know, in the mornings or at any time when you're making a sandwich and you're using tomato, well, what I do is I save those little end bits, the bit with the core in it, that you always throw away. And I'll show you what I mean. Here's my tomato this morning I've cut up for my breakfast sandwich, and there's always that piece after you cut the slices of tomato off that you want to use on your sandwich. There's that little end piece that you throw away, the piece with the core. So what I do is I cut the core out, I dice the tomato, and I have a little container. This is some of my frozen tomato. I just put this in the freezer with my little pieces, and the next time I make a batch of spaghetti or any other stews that need a little bit of tomato in it, I just dump in my frozen tomato pieces. Now, this isn't going to save you any money, but it is going to add to the flavor of your next dish you prepare. And that's it. Thanks for watching.